the Provocateur. This is a round effect card and it can be turned over at any time. This card says place face down in round effect. At any time, choose one card from the afterlife and place in allies. Place all remaining afterlife cards of either the same value or the same color in allies. So essentially, this is a good setup card. Again, takes a little while to get it going, but once you set it down, at any point in the game, you can flip this over. So let's just say I've killed some cards and I'm ready to go. I'll flip it over and reveal it, and I'll basically look in the afterlife and I'll decide what I want to take. Now, in the afterlife, clearly I could take these two black cards because that's 21 points and I could take it directly to my allies. But if you look a little closer, I have 4 7s. So I can also take the same values. Well, that's a nice 28-point move. So instead of taking the ones that seem obvious, I'll take all the 7s straight to my allies.
Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.